Bespoke miscellaneous charts. An introduction. We are going to be creating several miscellaneous bespoke data visualizations using various techniques. These essentially are just an extension of some of the techniques we've seen before, or play on some of the stuff that we've already done. Each of the sections, I chose 5 tutorials to give you a flavor and a taste of what is possible. Now we are just going to have several tutorials just to hammer home the techniques. These include, but not exclusively, creating a gradient radial bar chart, creating a tally chart, creating a gradient bar chart, creating a triangle bar chart, and one of my favorites, creating a dendrogram with rounded bar charts. The key here is that we're just going to have fun now. Have fun, explore, and more importantly, practice. So I hope you're ready, because I am.